everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys this new unit that I got from SVT Hair. You guys, this unit is amazing. So when you first get the unit, it comes in a red plastic, not really plastic, but a red cloth bag that you can keep the wig in. And they also gave me some eyelashes. So this unit is a 5x5 28-inch body wave closure, and it is amazing, y'all. Like, listen. With this wig, you get three combs right around the perimeter of the head, and then you also get a comb in the nape area, and you also get the adjustable straps to make the wig tight or loose to your liking. And when I tell y'all, this is a lifesaver, especially if you are a beginner. This is perfect for you, okay? Like, a closure and the adjustable straps, this is all you need. All you need. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I apply the unit and secure the unit to my head in just a few, but here's just how it looks like on the inside of the wig. So the first step you must do is you must wear a wig cap. You must protect those edges, okay? So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do a side part for this look today, just because I was feeling the side part. I was filming this video right before I went to work, but anyhow, this wig is very versatile, you guys. You can use this unit as a side part, a middle part, or you can even do a half up, half down. Like, the way this unit is looking like you can get this to look like a HD frontal. Like, as you can see, this unit is blending seamlessly into my forehead, you guys. Like, don't sleep on the transparent frontals, okay? Do not sleep on the transparent frontals or closures for that matter. So to lay the wig, I'm going to go ahead and use some Got To Be Glued spray, and then I'm going to blend it using some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. Now you want to just go ahead and apply that makeup onto the wig cap, just to make sure that, you know, when the parting is seen, or maybe you want to part it a different type of way, then it'll look like your scalp, it'll look like skin instead of looking like a grid. Then you also want to go ahead and add that to the lace a little bit, not too much, because you don't want the oils in the product to make the lace lift after a while of wearing it. So after doing that, you want to go ahead and apply your wig. Now again, you guys, this wig has been used before. Like, I was just wearing this unit and I washed it literally just to show you guys how I apply it. But yeah, you want to make sure those edges are pulled all the way back, even on the wig, and then you want to add your Got To Be Glued spray and just spray it down. Now I use this as a beginning step just to kind of prime my head, if that makes sense. So this will be the part that controls the oil, because I'm not using any harsh glue today, like Bold Hold or Erica J's glue. I'm just gonna, you know, it's really for the sake of you guys, just so you guys can see how I wear the unit, and how you can wear the unit and be able to take it off at night and reapply it in the morning. So yeah, you let that dry down, and then you want to tie it down really nicely, and you know, and that's really it. Like, you just let it dry, tie it down, and then boom, you have your laid lace. So after you have applied that frontal and had it tied down for a while, this is how it should look after you've glued and blow dried. Y'all, like, it is looking like I have a nice fresh sew-in. This is looking like my scalp. You can't even see the lace. Where's the lace? There is no grid, nothing. Like, it is really giving fresh frontal sew-in. Like, listen, okay? Get into the luster, get into the bounce, get into the quality of this hair. Hello fam bam, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. Feeling great, I'm feeling amazing, and I could not wait to show y'all this new unit that was sent to me from SVT Hair. Y'all, this unit is so soft, it is so flowy. I have been swinging it ever since I got it, and I know this is about to sound wild, but I haven't even washed the unit, and it doesn't stink, and it's not stiff. Excuse me. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to add some curl to it just so y'all can see. And this is without any heat protectant. I do recommend for you guys to use some heat protectant. Honestly, I did use heat protectant on this hair so much that I kind of don't want to put any more on, because I feel like if I put any more on, then it's just going to be all hell, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna get the stiff weave, you know what I'm saying? Right now I'm rocking a stiff wear, but I don't want to end up with the stiff, you know? Y'all don't understand. Like I have had so many wigs sent to me, and then within a few weeks of wearing it, it's stiff as hell, and I'm just like, oh, it's nice to look at, but so this is how the unit curls. Like it curls so pretty. So maybe if I had the patience, look how the unit curls, y'all. It's super pretty. Y'all, I don't really have much to say. Like this unit was so bomb. It's still bomb. I have been wearing it, I want to say, for almost a week. I got it installed Friday night, and now it is Wednesday, so I'm just in love. This is the best quality hair I have had in a long time. So yeah, what would I rate this hair? 1 out of 10. I would rate it a 10 out of 10, 5-star out of 5-star. Period. One wig that I know for a fact will not be a waste of money. So if you like, you know, if you like the long to the thong, go ahead and get you this unit, okay? Like, yes, this is so bomb. So yeah, you guys, this unit, just to wrap things up, this unit is a 5x5 28-inch lace closure. It is also a transparent lace end. It is also worth your coin, okay? Do not forget that part, that it is worth your coin. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have subscribed. If not, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and give this video a like and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.